Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. In this lecture, I will be taking up a very useful integral where it looks complicated at the face value, but it's not that complicated when we try to solve it. This can be easily solved by using beta and gamma functions, which I have already defined in my previous class. Please refer to that lecture. The relation between beta and gamma functions also I have developed. I have given an equation. We will be using that beta gamma functions relation. We will be using the definition of beta gamma functions and the connection between gamma function and a factorial. That also we will be using. That means three concepts we will be using in this problem to solve it, and we can solve it very easily by using these three concepts which I have already explained in my previous classes. What we will be using beta gamma function definitions, relation and factorial and gamma function relation. These three concepts we will be using. What we have to find out? We have to find out 0 to pi by 2, that is the limit, boundaries or bounds of the definite integral from 0 to pi by 2. The function is sin to the power of 107x into cos to the power of 231x dx. This is the function x. Sin to the power of 107x into cos to the power of 231x is the function x. We have to find out between the limits x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi by 2 integral function x dx. This is function x and this is dx. This is x is equal to pi by 2 from x is equal to 0. It looks very complicated at face value. Let us try to resolve it using beta and gamma functions. If you do it in the traditional manner, it will be a very lengthy answer. By using beta and gamma functions in the advanced question papers like CSIR mathematics or JEE Advanced mathematics or JEE Mains mathematics, where we should be quick to answer the questions, I will give the shortcut for using the beta gamma functions and solving this particular problem. Let's go and try to solve this question. What is the question given? Question is 0 to pi by 2. We have to find the integral 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power of 107x into cos to the power of 231x dx. This is equal to how much? We will go for the solution. I have defined beta and gamma functions in my previous lecture. What is beta function? Beta mn is equal to 2 into 0 to pi by 2 integral sin to the power of 2m minus 1x into cos to the power of 2n minus 1x dx. This is one definition which we will be using now. And what is another? The relation between beta and gamma functions. What is beta mn? This also I have discussed in the previous class. Gamma m into gamma n whole divided by gamma m plus n. This is another equation or relation which we are going to use. This is 1, this is 2. Please remember this. And another one what we are going to use? Gamma. These are very important formulae. Gamma n plus 1 is equal to factorial n. Now we will be using these three formulae and solving the given equation very easily. Here what we have to find out, beta mn is given as 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power of 2m minus 1x cos to the power of 2n minus 1x dx. This let us try to compare with the given question. What we have to find out? 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power of 107x cos to the power of 231x dx, which we are going to find out. We will compare these two values. From above, 2m minus 1 is equal to 107. When you compare both, 2n minus 1 is equal to 231. That implies m is equal to 54, n is equal to 116. When m is equal to 54, n is equal to 116, what will be the value of beta function? Will be 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power of 107x cos to the power of 231x dx. Here you compare these two. When you compare these two, right hand side value is double. So what we will get, what we have to find out is integral. Please try to understand the steps carefully. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power of 107x cos to the power of 231x dx is equal to beta mn by 2. Do you agree? That is equal to half into beta 54116. From this and from this, we got this value. That means our integral to be found out is simplified to in beta function as sin to the power of 107x cos to the power of 231x dx is equal to half into beta 54116. This is the simplified formula. When you find out the value of this one, that means you have solved this integral. From here on, what is the relation between beta and gamma? Beta mn is equal to gamma m into gamma n whole divided by gamma m plus n. That implies beta 54116 is equal to gamma 54 into gamma 116 whole divided by gamma 54 plus 116. That implies beta 54 116 is equal to gamma 54 into gamma 116 whole divided by gamma 170. Now, another identity we will be using. This identity we have used. Now, to solve this problem fully, we will use another identity. What is that? Gamma n plus 1 is equal to factorial n. That means gamma 54 is equal to gamma 53 plus 1, that is equal to 53 factorial. Gamma 116 is equal to 115 factorial. Gamma 170 is equal to 169 factorial. That means by using this, we will get the value beta 54 116 is equal to gamma 54, that is 53 factorial, into gamma 116, that is 115 factorial, whole divided by factorial 169. But it is not the end of the road. What we have to find out is, it is half into beta 54 116. The given integral value will be integral 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power of 107x cos to the power of 231x dx is equal to half into beta 54 116, that is equal to half into 53 factorial into 115 factorial whole divided by 169 factorial. This is the answer in factorials. That means we have got a numerical value from the given function x dx, where function x is sin to the power of 107x into cos to the power of 231x, function x dx, x is varying from 0 to pi by 2. This is the value. This is the integral value. Now, here what we have used is definition of beta function, definition of gamma function, relation between beta and gamma functions, and also the relation between gamma function and the factorial. Then we could arrive at a particular value of particular numerical value. And if you want an exact numerical value, you can do it 1.46 into 10 to the power of minus 47. This is the answer. With this, I want to conclude this lecture with a note that the concepts of beta gamma functions, they are not only useful for higher mathematics, and if you can grasp these concepts and utilize them, they are very much useful for mathematics examinations like JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, CSIR Mathematics, and other mathematical physics question papers also. Please try to pay attention to next 4 or 5 lectures, on which I will be going on deliberating the lectures on beta and gamma functions and their usages. And different problems I will be bringing in front of you, and I will be solving like this. Best of luck to you. Thank you for listening to me. If you feel there is a value addition to you because of this lecture, Please kindly share this video, hype this video and subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IITian, so that I will be bringing more and more lectures of this kind. If you feel you want to join my channel as a member, there is membership joining is also there. Please share, subscribe and hype this particular video, so that this type of videos I will be bringing frequently, and for next 4 to 5 lectures I will be concentrating on the beta and gamma functions. Don't think that beta and gamma functions is a higher level mathematics. It is a mathematics that simplifies your traditional mathematics problems, and it solves many scientific and engineering applications. It simplifies. Best of luck. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for viewing this lecture. Thank you.